The people are amazing. Like, I feel like our class is like a really nice community, and I'm quite sad to be moving away from that. It's been a really kind of special little network of people, and I've had a lot of fun. And also, yeah, my Yiddish has obviously improved significantly.
Feeling like a little pocket of downtown Manhattan is doing this thing communally is very moving. The summer program, it's still very intellectually demanding, but then emotionally really sweet and really, really lovely to feel like you're part of that. And you know, our group ranges from
We got 18 to 81. I really felt like I got to build not just relationships with the classmates, but the teachers were also like really lovely, warm people who like I got to know. And that has been a really, really nice surprise.
I knew it'd be a lot of work, but I didn't think it would come so quickly to become really a part of how I see myself in a certain way. And there's something sad about hearing Jews, be they religious or secular, saying it's a dead language. And it's one thing for people that don't come from a community that once historically spoke that language to say that or to think it out of ignorance. But for people whose parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, regardless of their backgrounds, would have communicated this way, to think or to want to think that it's something from the past and that we need to move on. And the idea that it means we're not moving on by learning Yiddish now seems a real shame. So it feels good to make small steps towards trying to repair that and normalize the idea of what someone that can speak Yiddish might look like.
There is something nice about having somebody in your actual life that like knows what that means. So it is really nice that like there's a shared understanding.
If anyone were considering going with their partner, I think it would be a sensible move. Having a built-in ally is a very good move. We found ourselves coming home at the end of the day, making dinner in our apartment, speaking to each other in broken Yiddish, not because we're like, yes, we're Yiddishists and like this is so important, but just because it feels good.
Yeah.